I'm in a cave. The caves at the Pinnacles. It's crazy. It's so dark. We need a flashlight, but we don't got a flashlight. So super dark. It's scary. She's in our phone. Feels like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. I was gonna commit to the. My feet are wet. My socks are wet.
It's proper you.
Yeah. Yogi gang, that thing was crazy. That thing was crazy, man. There was water in there. Part. Oh.
Yo, phantom my pants.
That thing was moist. That thing was dark. That thing was slippery. It hit my head, but it did look cool.
What?
And it does look nice right now. Gang, this guy got trench foot. Our hike's over, and I found a good landscape to paint later, watercolor, so it was a success. Later, gonna eat dinner, and then do some painting, watercolor painting, gouache painting of that landscape that I get, so you'll see. Hey guys, I just came back from the Pinnacles National Park. Came back for dinner. First off, if you see anything different, I'm back home at my family's house, and that's why this room looks a little different, you know. This is like the desk that I had since I was like in middle school or maybe even elementary school. and it looks really ugly. That's why I put this tablecloth on it, because I made my Lego videos on there and I would have to tape the Lego, the little base plate on the desk, so when I take it off it would like rip off the paint and the so you know, cover that up for the video, you know what I'm saying. But I do like my desk back at school. The Pinnacles was a success. I've never been there, even though we live pretty close to the national park. I'd say it was a lot nicer than I thought. It had a lot of scenery, had caves, it had waterfalls, it had a lot of water, which I liked, probably because it's spring. I hear in summer it doesn't really have that much water. I was looking to see, trying to make a good composition, and I found a couple potentials I'll show on the screen right now, because I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna pick one of those and then watch a couple tutorials, because I have not painted watercolor since high school AP art class, so I'm gonna need some refresher on that. Right now I feel like I'm in an era of like, I want to paint tangibly more. Maybe it's because of the rise of AI. I'm a UX designer and graphic designer, so I'm always on the computer just working, just staring at that screen all day. So sometimes I need a break. So there's something about the tangible medium. You can be more expressive, make mistakes you can't undo, so you just gotta work with them. I got my equipment. I haven't touched these since high school, but yeah, they're still watercolor lasts a long time. Look at that. Gouache was the key in freaking AP art class, because I was always so scared of watercolor, because since it's transparent, you can only add to it. Even if you want like white, you just don't paint it. You gotta make sure you don't paint it, so your mistakes really show with watercolor. And then it wasn't until I got gouache, which allows you to paint over stuff, where I got more confidence to paint with watercolor, knowing that I can fix my mistakes. But even after I got gouache, like I didn't even use it. It just gave me the confidence, and like I just painted with watercolor. So let's go watch some tutorials. Man, I'm trying to be like that. I just bought this new sketchbook. Looks pretty cool. Nice and brown. That's so nice, bro. You can open the brushes. I haven't opened these in so long. Okay, honestly, not my best work, but it turned out alright. I feel like I always have trouble with like natural scenes, so maybe next time I'll try painting architecture, like in a city and some buildings and people. I mean, it's nice, you know, my first entry in the sketchbook. And I want to keep doing this, you know, this is just the first one, you know. Maybe I'll make more videos when I train and when I get a little better. Yeah, if you guys like this video, enjoyed the video, let me know. You know where to let me know. Come on there. It's good to reconnect with your hobbies, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support y'all been giving me for the past couple weeks on my videos. It means a lot to me that people are seeing my stuff. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you want any more design or art related videos, and I'll be sure to check it out. All right, see y'all next week. Peace.